Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to use SD card in your Motorola smartphone. Let's talk about this and insert this. So first let's open this SIM tray slot. Let's put it in this. So firstly you have to remove it through this pin SIM tray and just remove it like this safely, and you can see there is no SD card slot available in this, so you can't be able to use this, but I have a solution for that. And let's talk about the alternative solution. So firstly you have to know about this card reader. So you can see this is the USB pen drive, so you can just put here the SD card in this card reader. Let's put it here. You have to just simply put it like this, so it's done. And then you have to buy this also. This is the OTG. You can see this is the type C to this port, USB port. So first let's put it in this port USB. Here it is now connected, and now you have to connect in this device also. So you can see this is how it looks. So friends, you can see it is now showing USB drive. So let's open it. You can just open your files by Google, and here it is now showing the storage. FC card reader. Friends, you can see I have just put it in this type C port, and it is now showing in the all videos. You can see here all the content of this SD card. It is now showing here in this storage. So here I have purchased this card reader also. So friends, you can see it is showing the content over here. Let's remove this like this, and now it will showing nothing in this video. So you can see all of the data is now removed from this. When you just put again, it will show all the data in your videos or your photos. So here I have the solution of this. I have put first the SD card in this card reader and this card reader in this OTZ. So there is a direct solution for that. Instead of that, you can use it. So there is one more solution you can do is you can directly purchase this type C card reader. You can see there will be no this and no this. You can just put here the SD card in this type C card reader, and then in your smartphone this will be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.